Hey guys, what's up? This is me Sonam Prajapati and welcome back to my channel. And in this video friends, I'm gonna show you if you don't want to see your Facebook friends post, so I'm gonna show you how to unfollow your Facebook friends without unfriend. So friends, let's start the video. So friends, first of all, log in your account and click here and go to your setting. I'm using this on my Chrome browser, and here you will see the option. I'm showing you guys news feed preferences. Just click on this option and here you will see the option unfollow people to hide their posts. Just click on this options and uh, here you will see your all friends. Just click on the photo and here is showing option unfollow. Just click on this unfollow and your friend would be unfollowed. Thank you so much for watching this video friends. Hope you enjoy. If you are new on my channel, click the subscribe button because you guys are only my hope. Don't forget to press subscribe icon bell. Let's meet again with a new video friends. Till now, bye bye, take care.